Hello, Shaman. How are you? It's been a long time since we last met.
Oh, hi, Sapna. I have got a new job now and doing great. How about you? How often do you eat at this cafe?
This is my first time. My friends kept telling me the food was great. So, I decided to try it tonight. What have you been up to?
I have been so busy with my new job that I have not had the time to do much else, but otherwise, me and the family are all fine.
Well, I hope you and your family have a lovely meal.
Yes, you too.
Okay, let's go cafe restaurant.
Okay, Sapna.
Hello, Sujan. How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am fine too. I am very glad at your brilliant result in the HSC examination. Would you please tell me about your future plan of life?
Yes, I have already made up my mind to study law.
I see. But why do you want to study law? Is there any specific reason?
Yes, of course. I would like to join politics after completing my studies. I wish to serve my countrymen by driving away restless politics.
All these are true. A patriotic leader can stamp out all kinds of corruptions and injustice from society. But it is really a difficult task to become a leader.
Yes, but do not forget that nothing is impossible for a hardworking and persevering man.
But have you ever thought over the hard work it will mean?
Yes, friend, I think no work is too hard for me in this profession.
This profession also needs much tolerance and sacrifice. Do you know it?
Yes, I know. To have much tolerance and sacrifice is a precondition to become a good leader.
Nice. I am impressed to see your choice as well as determination. I highly appreciate your future plan. Go ahead. I hope you will succeed one day.
Please, bless for me so that I can make my dream true.
Absolutely. I must be off now. Thank you very much.
You are most welcome. See you again.